I'm here to do a flip through of my completed coloring pages for March 2025. Okay, let's get started. This month was a fun month in that I used a lot of different coloring supplies. I found a lot of my old mixed media supplies, and I pulled them out. So that was fun. I wish I had some of them that I could see right now, and I can't. But I must show those, I guess, in a later video. But I was pulling out a lot of things and trying them. So I messed up a lot on pages. But that's okay, because, you know, that's what these books are for. I'm going to learn in them. So let's get started. Butterflies color. Oh, if you're new to my channel, you know I'm a beginner colorist to the T. Beginner. You're looking for good pieces of art. You may have to just keep going, because like I said, a lot of these I ended up, because I messed up a lot, even though I was still having fun. Then I just said, oh, I'm just going to be light. I'm a lightly color. But let's see. Whew. I'm a lightly color in them and things like that. So this one I did, oh, it's the Butterflies coloring book. I love butterflies. It's like a wallpaper design. So I did this. It's okay. I wasn't just jumping up and down over that, but it's okay. Small victories. I really love this book because I get to try out a lot of little things. Did I mess up a lot of pages in here? Yes. This one, I think, and flipping through to see something else, I may have looked at it, but I finally finished it. It's okay. I noticed at the last minute that there were stars. So this is it was supposed to be nighttime, so I went in with Distress ink, and maybe a little too heavy, but it's this page. I'm not going to I'm experimenting on this page, and you probably will never see the other page. So there's that. By the time I got to this, Black Women Spring Scenes, I had already messed up a cute picture in here. I was practicing on the background and a picture in here, and I completely messed it up. You can see it in my glue book. The fairy ended up in my glue book, and if I remember, I'll list it right there. I mean, in that, but I tore it out. So it was a whole page. I got to the end and just completely messed it up. This came finally from Amazon, and they ripped it. So I asked for, they ripped the cover. Oh, this will probably end up, well, anyway. And I did finish a scene because it is spring. Well, I have finished. I didn't do her umbrella, and I didn't finish that yet. But I just still wanted to show it. It's almost finished, because like I said, I'm mostly just going to base or lightly color and then move it along. Of course, I had to be in my happy cats, y'all. I had to, because they make me happy. And here they are. This is mostly marker. Yeah, this is marker and a little watercolor back here. Yeah, so you know I had to get into that. This, don't laugh, I'm learning. I've had this book forever. Because I'm a paper crafter, and Prima makes a lot of paper crafting things. So this is what I worked on. This is a whip. I'll show you that. But I finished to as far as I'm going to go this way. Okay, thank you. That's all for that. Then I went over into my Mythographic, and I messed it up. Only because my pencils did not work. My Prismas did not work in here. And I was like, okay, what gives? They look streaky. So then I went on to... I'm not showing it yet. Until, as you can tell, I went into my markers. And I don't like it. So there we are. One day, but it did let me know that it is real fun to color in this. And I'm not afraid. And then to color in this one. I used to be intimidated. I'm not anymore. But I don't think I like them. I don't like the markers. And I ended up getting some other pencils to color in it, and it colors beautifully, but I didn't have time to color a page in here. I just tested. So I'm looking forward to coloring now in my Mythographic. Now in my Maria Trolls, is that how you pronounce it? Universe. If I butchered your name, I'm sorry. I colored this page. And then I stopped because I said if I mess it up, if I keep going and I mess it up, I'm going to get mad. So I lightly colored in this one. So, and I tried to make some, what do you call it? Clouds up in the sky. Yeah. So I did have fun coloring. It's just I messed up a lot. So, you know, it is what it is, y'all. And it's not what it's not. But I did have fun. I colored in a lot of books. I colored, you know, I had fun. This was sad when I messed this one up. I just went overboard on the background. And this was okay. And I didn't color in nothing else. Yeah, I did, but it was testing pages. Oh, yeah, and I didn't finish. Because I was playing with stuff. Oh, yeah, over there. I had found, okay. Yeah, that was all in there and then in here. Okay, friends, I'd like to thank you for stopping by. If you made it to the end, you know, you want to let me know that you were here. Go ahead and leave a crayon emoji and or a wave emoji, and I will talk to you later. Bye.